A banner appears. We care about your privacy. Click Accept Cookies to continue. You tap it and move on. Yet in that instant, you've given away more than a passport photo and a blood sample combined. The average UK adult hits Accept All over 2,000 times a year. Those clicks hand over about 52 megabytes of personal data, enough to fill 20 diaries about you. Ever wonder why trainers you glanced at now chase you online? Let's see what happens behind that click. The first cookie drops. First, the site slips a text file, a first-party cookie, into your browser. These are helpful. They keep you logged in and remember your cart or language preference. They're created by the site you're on. Useful and harmless. The third-party Stampede. But the banner rarely mentions the invisible Stampede, third-party cookies. These burst in from ads, social buttons, and analytics scripts. A single news page can trigger dozens of trackers. They don't care about your cart. They want your digital footprints. Your data gets packaged.
Now the trail heats up. Trackers watch where you linger and what you highlight. This data is bundled and shipped to brokers who knit together fragments from hundreds of sites to create a profile. Your age, income, even if you're on a diet.
The marketplace advertisers then bid on your profile in auctions lasting milliseconds. A marketer pays a fraction of a penny to show you those trainers, not because you searched, but because your profile marks you as an impulsive buyer. If they win, that ad trails you everywhere. The hidden price tag. It's not just creepy ads. Your data is resold to anyone, including scammers. Leaked profiles can include full names, birthdays, and answers to security questions. One 2023 leak alone exposed 1.2 billion records. 1.2 billion records. Take back the click. You don't have to play along. Next time, choose Manage Cookies and turn off third-party and marketing trackers. Firefox and Safari already block them. Chrome plans to follow suit by late 2025. Until then, extensions like uBlock Origin or Privacy Badger can stop the snooping. Conclusion. Hitting accept isn't harmless. It's the starter pistol for a global trade in your private life. One click lets thousands of strangers watch and sell you. The good news? Another click can slam that door shut. Next time a banner appears, give it a second thought. You decide what happens next.